Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing power adapter for iPhone 15. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. We won't get power adapter with iPhone 15, so we have to purchase power adapter separately. This is a 20 watts power adapter, USB type C adapter, which I have purchased for iPhone 15. This is adapter. This is 2-pin adapter. On other side we can see type C port. We get a type C USB cable with iPhone 15. We can use this same type C cable to recharge iPhone 15 with power adapter. Let me connect one end of this type C cable to this adapter. Okay, done. See here on this iPhone 15 we can see type C port. We can connect other end of that type C cable to this port. Okay, done. Next I am going to connect this adapter to power socket. Let me power on. So when I switch on, here on top you can see the charging animation. Here it will show the percentage of charge. Let me switch on. See here you can see it shows 65% of charge, and here we can see the symbol. That means right now this iPhone 15 is in charging mode. So this way we can use this power adapter to recharge iPhone 15. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.